Godly morning! Part of my spiritual growth is to memorize God's word. So, buong check ko naman. Tatlo ka verse. Number 1, Acts 9 verses 3 verses 2-5. And as he journeyed and he came near Damascus, and suddenly sun ran out like a heaven, and he fell from the earth, and heard a voice saying, Saul, Saul, why do you persecutest thou me? And he said, Who thou art, Lord? And the Lord said, I am Jesus, whom thou persecutest. It is hard thee to kick against the pricks. And why in time, nabalaan, yun na? In Proverbs, which of these is more precious than rubies? Then nabalaan, yun na? Ang sagot, wisdom. Makita sa Proverbs 3 verses 15. Then nabalaan, yun na? Don't forget, Ephesians 1:2-3, Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor thy father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with thee, and thou mayest live long the earth. I am Imapi Maranyon, the son of Pastor Ravel Maranyon, and Dire Maranyon. God bless.
B-I-B-L-E, yes, that's the book for me.